the Yellowstone Lake Lodge. I don't know if it's even open. I don't think it is, but I'm gonna walk up here anyway and see if there's anybody around or if I can get in the building. Ah, see a sign says closed for the season. Let me pause it. Well, there was an open door, so I'm in. I'm just kind of taking a video. I'm not sure why they're closed. Yeah, I was going to continue to take a little video of the building. And it looks like it's built. The building is just beautiful. No, it's closed. I guess they'll be opening it. But the woodwork is just something else. Big fireplace. So I guess they're not open yet. But anyhow, that's what it looks like. I think we'll head out now before we get thrown out. But boy, it's a beautiful building. Okay. Well, let's walk over to the door here. And we'll wrap up our video showing you what it looks like inside and out. But let's see, what did that say? It says Lake Lodge is closed for the season. That must have been at the end of the year. And I would guess that at some point they're going to be opening back up. But imagine just sitting out here on this patio, taking in the sunshine and that lake view. It's just unreal. Okay, guys, we'll come back to you a little later.